We down here, we in Passaic, 100 stairs. Yo, what's up?
100 stairs.
Key, what's up, man?
I'm chilling, man.
What we finna do now, man?
We about to
You
get...
always want to do something working out. You always sure, let's do this, let's do that. Let's show the people this, let's show the people that.
We gonna show them tutorial how to do the pull-ups. Full extension, all the way up, all the way down. That's you're gonna be hitting your back, your shoulders, biceps. Everything is activated. Your core is activated once you go up. You know, you're gonna feel it. All the way up, all the way down. Do 1, do 2 to get that right, and you build yourself up. Next thing you know, you're repping out 10, all the way up, all the way down. The half ones, you get pump off of that, whatever. But the right way, all the way up, all the way down.
You got something for us, Key?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. That sun is beaming.
All right, your grip, Key, you got the wide grip joint.
I got the wide grip. You could bring it close. I normally do it like this. This is how I'm comfortable doing it now. But anyway, how to master how you want to do it. Nice.
Pull-ups are difficult, man. It's one of the main movements of calisthenics, but it's not easy.
It's not easy. Honestly, it's not. That's why I said, if you do 1 or do 2, nice. You accomplished the day.
And you got to keep doing them so you can build up.
You got to keep doing. Because then that's how you're going to have a perfect, correct shape of a form. How to do a pull-up all the way down, full extension. You're gonna get everything.
Let's get that back, Key. Turn around, face that way. Let's get that back. Show that perfect back from the pull-up. Hey, Key, it's a lot of dudes in the gym that can lift a whole bunch of weight but can't do this, man.
Nah, for real. Like, that's crazy. That's why I said calisthenics it's important to notice and to really do this. This is where it starts, right here. For real. Hey, I was in a North Jersey article too. Keyshawn, Eastside Park. It's up there. I posted it on my Instagram.
Check them out, y'all.
Eastside Park, Patterson, New Jersey. Shout out to Passaic. Let's get it.
Watch the back, y'all, from the pull-up. Clean, y'all. Key, how often would you do pull-ups? Like once a week, twice a week, every day? What?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Every day, because you're going to get better at that shit. And you feel good when you do it. It's like, I got to get it. Like, let's go.
My man, Key. Key, appreciate you, kid.
Let's go.
Peace.